G'day, Blue Boy here again. Look what came in the mail today. Something from Zpacks. Let's unbox this baby. So, what could it be? I'm not supposed to use blades, am I? But this is like an envelope opener, so it's like not very sharp. So, hopefully it should be okay. Let's see what we got. I am feeling dodgy using a blade. I should not. But I just don't want to rip. Oh yeah, maybe I'll rip it like this. Cut around that bit there. Paperwork. Boom. And I'm making a mess of it. I really don't want to wreck whatever's inside it. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Would you not believe it? Oh, it's blue. I love blue. And oh, look at the cuben fiber. It's even prettier. Oh. Cue the orchestral music. Rising, rising, rising like a phoenix. Out of the ashes, out of the paper box. What is this? What is it? Whatever it is, it just feels like bubble gum. Yum! I want to eat it or lick it. Oh, look at it. So light. Let's open it up. Here we go. Oh, look at that fluoro yellow, my second favorite color. So what do you think this is? It says it's a Plexamid tent. Zpacks' brand new single pole tent. So let's see how heavy it is. So straight from the factory. This is a first look at the new Plexamid 1.5 person tent from Zpacks. And we've got my cousin Jono in there. How's it feel, Jono?
It's actually really comfortable. It's good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it roomy enough for one?
Just enough for one, yes.
Could you fit your pack inside there?
A small one?
Yeah, small one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you like that people can see in when you're there?
I'm out in the middle of nowhere, I don't care.
What do you think of it, Rowan?
I'd use it.
I'd use it. You don't mind people being able to see in a little bit?
I think that'll be the least of your worries when you
Nice. Oh well.
More private than a swag.
More private than a swag, exactly. So yeah, we're going to get a full review coming soon. See how it stacks up against the other Zpacks tents I've got. Boom.